Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Porsche Cayman S, and this is the last one I have in this particular series because I didn't get that chase, which is the rally special. And okay, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay. So here it is. So let me put this aside. Okay. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice. It actually looks very small in hands, to be very honest. And okay, it has black interior. Okay, it has scratches on the windshield, as you can see. So this is pretty common for me nowadays. And so, but the interior detailing looks really good. I mean, they could have went with the golden color, but they didn't do that. I don't know why they are not maintaining the consistency. Okay, it has headlight detailing here, which is good. And okay, it doesn't have any detailing on the rear. So I understand, three side detailing. They went with three sides, fine. So I personally don't like this rim for this car. They could have went with something they did for either the mod speeder or at least okay, the mod speeder one would have looked really nice on this one, or at least the one with they given for that Shelby, that would have looked really cool. So it has this door handles here. It is actually embossed separately, so that looks really nice. And you can see the chassis, which is in golden color. And okay, the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, interior is plastic. So okay, let's weigh this casting. It feels pretty heavy for the size. Maybe because of the size I'm feeling like that, I guess. So let's see. Yeah, 31 grams only. Yeah, because of the size I'm feeling like it's heavy. It's very small actually. It looks cute actually. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. That rolls really well. Yeah, that rolls really well. So okay, let's rate this casting now. So I don't see any issues with the casting. Luckily I don't see any paint job issue as well. Again, that is maybe something related to me in case even if that happens. So okay, so if you guys remember, I took point 0.5 out of 10 for the Shelby Cobra because it had that black interior. And so I'm doing the same for this one. I'm taking point 0.5 out of 10 because of the black interior, because it is not really matching this particular theme they are going with. I don't know why they are doing that again and again. So they could have given black chassis and golden interior. That would have looked so awesome. So 9.5 out of 10, to be very honest. So that's it. But apart from that, I don't see any issue at all. Again, so this is for the people who loves Porsche really, so much. And I mean, what else I can say? So, or else if you are a real collector, you who wants to collect literally every car models out there, maybe this is for you. But if you are actually, again, depends upon someone for money, then my suggestion would be again that Camaro, and then Nissan Patrol, and then I mean mod speeder, and then maybe this, and then the Shelby Cobra. So this is the order I would suggest. Yeah. So with that said, that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.